Hi, I'm Kuma. I'm 14 years. I want to be an actress and show the world that Botswana, as well as Africa, has the greatest talent in acting and other stuff, and bring the Oscar home. Thank you. I'm gonna be acting as a girl who just found out that her own best friend stole her guy. What is this? What is this I'm finding? You are my own best friend right here and you're stealing my man. Why are you doing this to me, huh? Why are you doing this? I was just protecting you all my life and you backstab me this way? Why do you do this, huh? You know what? I could just kill you right now. I could just kill you. Oh my God. Lord have mercy on me. Lord have mercy on this child because I'm about to kill her. You stole my man with all the love I've given you. Not that I'm forgetting you too. I'm not forgetting you. You went behind my back and dated my own best friend. What kind of boy does that, huh? You're just being a jerk, that's all. You're just being nasty. You're not doing nothing at all. You know what? Forget all you. You can be together and I hope your life is fulfilled. Bye.